All right, in this topic, we're going to take a look at the slope of a line, what that means, how we can calculate it, and what can we do with it. So slope is measured by taking the rise divided by the run. So the rise is that vertical distance from, or the change in vertical distance, the change in y. If you're looking at an x-y axis, the run is the change in the x-axis, or the horizontal distance. One real-life example where they talk about slope a lot is in roofing. They'll talk about how steep or what kind of pitch your roof has. You also see this in building stairways. Right? They have to have a certain rise, certain run, et cetera, et cetera. So we can calculate the slope of a line, especially if it's graphed nicely like this one, by using the formula right here. The slope is equal to y2, so the y value from our second point, minus y1, so the y value from our first point, to get that change in vertical distance. And then we divide that whole thing by the run, x2, so the x value from our second point, subtracted by the x value of our first point. So let's take a look at an example or three and see what this looks like. So we need to just determine the slope for each of these line segments. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down the xy coordinates for all of these points, A, B, and then C, D. And we'll go from there. Point A is at x is negative 6, y is negative 3, point B, x is 4, y is 3, C, draw that down here, x is negative 3, y is 4, and for D, x is 2, down 2, x is 2, y is negative 6. Go back and remember that formula from the previous slide. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 or x2 minus x1. So y2 is 3, x2 is 4. Fill those in right away. y1 is negative 3. And x1 is negative 6. So we have 3 minus minus 3, so that's 6. 4 minus a minus 6 is 10. So the slope of line AB is 0.6. So let's do the same thing over here for points C and D. Slope equals y2 minus y1 all divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is negative 6. x2 is 2. y1 is 4. y2 or x1 is negative 3. So negative 6 minus 4 is 10, negative 10. 2 minus minus 3 is 5. So our slope of CD is negative.